everyone, it's Casey from the Pet Health Network, and we get asked a lot, what can I do if I can't afford veterinary care? This is Napoleon. He's actually lucky enough to be here at Central Veterinary Hospital, one of the practices we work with in upstate New York, because he actually has terminal cancer. And unfortunately, he only has a few months to live, and during that time, he was lucky enough to come here so he could get the treatment he needs because his parents couldn't afford it. So we have some simple advice to think about when you're thinking about getting a pet. If you feel like you can't afford veterinary care for the pet, then you should really consider if you should bring that pet into your house in the first place. Because veterinary care is a necessary part of caring for any animal. Now, in some situations, we get in a bind, and in the beginning of our pet's life, we had plenty of money to fund their care, and maybe something happens where you don't have that money. There are several things that you can do if you do find yourself in a bind. One, talk to your veterinarian before you start treatment of your pet, and make sure that you're honest with them about what you can afford. They may have some options for you to think about. One, there is something called care credit, where you can actually get credit, almost like a credit card, to pay for the care of your pet. And you're allowed to extend your payments over a period of time, and that allows you to make it more affordable. Two, sometimes veterinary hospitals have payment options themselves. And third, there are insurance options now for pets that can help to spread out payments over the course of your pet's life to help with emergency situations. But just like I said before you invest in bringing an animal into your home, make sure that you can care for them properly. Realize that veterinary care on a yearly basis is part of their primary existence and what you have to do in order to care for them. If you can't afford that on a regular basis, really consider whether or not you should bring that pet into your home.